Fam, do I have a good one for you today? So today we're going to be reprogramming a new key fob. And so my old key fob, unfortunately, it was super worn, it broke down, so I had to get new key fobs. So went on Amazon, got 2 new key fobs. I've already programmed one, and just to make sure I had the steps right. So now we're going to program our second key fob. So on these cars you can program up to 2 key fobs. So I got this one, and then I got this other new one right here that's already programmed. So the 97 through 2000 C5 Corvette has one type of key fob, then the 2001 through 2004 have a separate set. I'm gonna have both key fobs linked in the description, so just make sure you order the right one, be it the 97 to 2000 or the 2001 to 2004, depending on your make and model, etc. So let's get into it without further ado. So the first thing you're going to do is put your key in ignition and put it to the on position. Then the instructions I read said to turn off the radio, so we're just going to turn off the radio, whatever. All right, next thing we're going to do, then we're going to hit the options button until we get a black screen. And then we are going to go back to the reset button and hold it for 3 seconds. And then a message should appear. And it should say fob training, like so. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to push the reset button again, right? And now we'll be able to train our fob. So I'm going to train both of the fobs again. So you have to hold the unlock and the lock button at the same time, and then while you're holding those, the car will sense it, and as you see, first fob learn, and then it'll say do the same for the second fob. So let me take this out of plastic. We're going to do the same thing. Hold up. And we got the second fob, third. Oh snap, apparently can be a third fob. I didn't even know that. We unlocking cheat codes out here. Hidden C5 cheat codes. But yeah, that's it right there. Then you can go ahead and turn off the car. Now we're gonna go ahead and test our fobs. So holding this fob right here. Lock button, car is locked. Unlock, so that's my second fob right there. Now we're gonna do it with my primary fob. Lock and unlock. Bam, it was that easy. It was that easy. Yo, we got through this video that quick. And this is literally how, you know, it's literally like how simple this is to do. So if you guys like this video, man, make sure to like the video for one, right? Like the video, then go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell next to that subscribe button, just so you can get all of my video updates and stuff like this, because I'm always doing different stuff to my Corvette. Number 2, I'll make that and make sure you guys support me by using my affiliate links on eBay and Amazon for anything I have linked. So yeah, man, take it easy. I'm out.